Oh, you guys are gonna want to stick around for this one. I found the best deal on tennis shoes, regardless of brands, whether they're Hoka, Nike, Adidas, Converse, Puma, or whatever. This is the best kept secret, and you guys are gonna want to see this. I'm gonna show you the deal that I just recently got that came in the mail today with some tennis shoes that I got, and I saved over 80%. You're going to want to stick around for this one because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get these tennis shoes and also no shipping. That's right, no shipping. Shipping is free. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll show you how to take advantage of this. FedEx dropped the box off today, and I'm just as happy as a kid on Christmas morning. Remember that feeling? Here's the box, got 2 pairs of shoes in here. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. This is crazy. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see. Snap! Adidas. This is 1 pair. Brand new, never worn. Look at that. Wow. Original Adidas. I'll tell you how I got them and where they came from at the end of the video, and how you can get some good deals like this. But that's 1 pair. Put those aside. Let's see. Here is the other pair. Let's put this box away. Brand new. Never touched. Yeah, just what the doctor ordered. It's a green color here. It's what I like. Genuine Adidas. They're cloud foam. Great for walking and exercising. Look at that. It's crazy. I'll show you how you can get these bargains. Guys, the price of these shoes just about blew my head off. These right here, I like them because no strings. Like an old guy like me, you can just slip them on and go. But these were only $21 and they were marked down from $70. And this pair, I like these too. They're kind of the same concept. You do have strings, but you can, I guess you can tie them up to how you want them, and you can still just slip them in and out. But these were like $80, and I got them for $28. So guys, look, in the description, I'm going to leave where you can get good deals on any brand tennis shoes at any time with no shipping. And they also have housewares, tools, all kind of stuff like that. I'm not getting paid for any of this stuff. I just like the company because for probably about the last 6-7 years, I've been getting my tennis shoes from there. And if you get shoes like those Hokas, you can really save some money. So you guys know what to do. Go to the description, find out where to get the good deals. Like, follow, and subscribe. Until then, thanks for joining me. And Papa Cleve will be back with you soon for another one. Later.